Nifty, we though have managed to recover from the day's lowest point, but exactly what are the levels to watch out for? To give us a lowdown on that, we are now joined by Vinay Rajani, who's the Senior Technical and Derivatives Research Analyst, HDFC Securities. Hi, Mr. Rajani, thank you so much for joining us. Good afternoon to you. Yesterday we did see a good day coming in for the market. In fact, we managed to kiss that 26,000 levels on Nifty as well. But we have cooled off from there. What are the levels to watch out for on Nifty? And Nifty Bank continues to be an outperformer. What are the levels to watch on Nifty Bank as well?
Yeah, good afternoon. So yes, Nifty is finding resistance around 26,100. So 26,100 is the previous swing top. Not only one time, but two times Nifty reversed from that level. So 26,100 happens to be the double top resistance, and we are waiting for that level to be taken out on the upside. But the primary trend seems to be positive because sector rotation is going on nicely. Because of the negative global cues, Nifty opened lower today and went down in the first half. But a nice recovery has been registered. Almost more than 100 points recovery has been registered, and finance and then banking space has been doing quite well. So as such, we are expecting Nifty to hold its uptrend because it is still trading above the 20, 50 and 100 days average, and the nearest moving average is 5 days exponential average, which is also lower than the current price of the Nifty. So definitely the setup is quite strong, and recovery has been registered. We feel that Nifty should hold its uptrend, and the 26,100 is a level to watch out for, above which we can see a momentum coming back into the Nifty. So about 26,100 immediate resistance is at the previous all-time high, which is around 26,277. But the way it is developing on the weekly chart, the ultimate target for the Nifty seems around 26,600, which is nothing but the triangle target we are aiming at right now. So yes, momentum is missing right now. Patience is required, but trend is positive, and we are aiming a Nifty target around 26,600. On the lower side, 25,700 is a level which happens to be the recent swing low, can act as a strong support and can be utilized as a stop loss in trading long position. So 25,700 should be the stop loss. On the upside, 26,277, before that 26,100, and about all-time high we can expect 26,600. Yes, Bank Nifty has registered an all-time high, so it has been outperformer. The ultimate, the next resistance for the Bank Nifty, if we were to look at the last 3 weeks movement, it seems that Bank Nifty should target the next level for 60,000. 60,000 is the next target for the Bank Nifty. So that is the immediate resistance we see, which is 1,000 points higher from this level. As far as support is concerned, we see support around 58,500. That is 500 points lower than this. So that can be utilized as support or accumulating further long. So 58,500 is a support, and on the upside we are targeting 60,000 in Bank Nifty.
All right, so those are lofty targets as far as Nifty and Nifty Bank are concerned. 26,600 is what you're saying for Nifty, but a little bit of patience is required since the momentum for now is missing. But Vinay, since the uptrend remains intact, even though the momentum has slowed down a bit, would you have your picks in, are you long on counters, or what would be your picks in this market then?
So in this scenario, better to pick the stocks from the sectors which have been continuously sustaining at high level. One of the sector is the banking and finance. So small private banking space along with the PSU banks are looking strong. So from the small private banking space, we can say Federal Bank. Federal Bank is looking extremely strong. So after a couple of weeks of consolidation, it has broken out from that narrow range and with the higher volume. So that looks quite strong on the chart. So Federal Bank can be traded long around 242. 238 should be the trading stop loss. On the upside, I'm expecting a target of 250. The second pick I would take from the FMCG, or we can say paint segment rather. So paint segment, after results of the Indigo Paints, Asian Paints, we've seen that the entire paint segment has started outperforming, and bullish momentum has emerged. And on the positional chart as well, they are looking quite strong. So this can extend from here. That's what I see. So Berger Paint around 587 can be traded long. Trading stop loss can be kept at 577. On the upside, I'm expecting an immediate target at 610.
All right, so some stock-specific ideas coming in for you. Thank you so much for joining us with all those stock-specific ideas and technical trading ideas for the day. But